Hello, I'm Stephen N. Gasser from United Realty, and I'd like to show you my new listing here in Oriole Gardens. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo on the 2nd floor. Come on inside, take a look. Kitchen has been redone with granite countertops, wood cabinets, stainless steel stove, and hood. In the main living area, there's crown molding and it's all tile, no carpet. An enclosed back patio. In the master bedroom, there's laminate flooring. Extra clean. And the vanity in the master bathroom has been replaced along with the toilet. In the hallway, they added an extra storage closet. In the second bathroom, the vanity has also been updated, as well as the toilet. Another view of the kitchen. And right through here, we have the second bedroom, also laminate flooring, extra clean, move-in ready. Come out the front door, and right down the end of the building is the community clubhouse. It has a gymnasium, a library, a card room, on-site management, and a theater, and also 2 swimming pools. So this could be your new community, Oriole Gardens. I'm Stephen N. Gasser of United Realty. If you have any questions or comments about this condo, please give me a call at 954-551-1987. I'm here to help. Take care.